amaSundawana asegcine semtholile uVan Wyk. According to iDiski Times, Mamelodi Sundowns have completed the signing of attacker Antonio van Wyk from Bundesliga side SV Red. Lo mdlali-ke kudala-ke bemfuna kusukela-ke ngaye-ke unyaka ophelile, kuthiwa-ke amaSundawana-ke asegcine sekwazile ukuthi-ke ayithole-ke isignature yakhe. Kuthiwa the player has already completed his medicals laphayana-ke eKlorkop and is just waiting for i-announcement. Umdlali-ke kuthiwe bamthenge ngemali enkulu but azange bayisho-ke, ezisazi-ke ukuthi ubedlala khona-ke laphana e-Austria. So esimaziyo-ke oyithimethi yakhe-ke nguye-ke uYusuf Maat abamthenga-ke khona-ke laphana kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. So uVan Wyk becomes the Mamelodi Sundowns first signing ahead of the new season, ngoba-ke sebekhombisa ukuthi-ke bafuna ukureclaima yona-ke i-Betway Premiership ebiwinwe yiyo-ke i-Orlando Pirates. So we'll have to wait and see-ke ukuthi-ke uzokwazi-ke yini ukuthi a-adapt-ke laphana kwi-style of play sayo kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns, because the time I remember-ke sadlala sona-ke Stellenbosch FC, he was relying on speed, kanti-ke laphana kwi-Sundawana-ke kudlalwa lona-ke ibhola. However, he is a very good player and-ke hopefully-ke uzokwazi-ke ukuthi-ke a-ede i-value in the upcoming season.